If you are looking for an all-in-one home gym, you can easily get overwhelmed because of the so many options out there. The best all-in-one gym machine should be able to replace a whole gym worth of equipment in just one does-it-all machine. There are many products available to choose all-in-one workout machines, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the all-in-one workout machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Body Solid Multi-Station Selectorized Gym. The Body Solid Multi-Station Selectorized Gym is a sturdy equipment that will last through years of heavy use by multiple people. The included attachments and 7 separate workstations make it a true substitute for a gym membership. You will pay for the quality and durability, and there's no other way to say it. This home gym is expensive. Don't forget you need plenty of space, and that the machine weighs a lot. Shipping weight is 522 pounds, though the machine weighs. This home gym is designed to be used by up to 3 people simultaneously. If you have friends or family working out with you, this machine will keep everybody moving, and nobody will get in your way. It's also the ideal all-in-one gym machine for small communities and small shared building gyms. This is a feature that makes the EXM 3000 LPS an excellent choice if you're sharing your home gym with others. 2 weight stacks mean that 2 people can perform resistance work simultaneously without waiting for the other to finish a set first. Number 2. Marcy Smith Cage Workout Machine Total Body Training. The Marcy is an outstanding home gym, and is definitely the most versatile, especially at its price point. It can satisfy the needs of an advanced trainee just as well as it would a beginner. If you are serious about your training, this Marcy won't let you down. The Marcy Diamond Elite Smith Cage Combo is a lot of home gym at a low price. Compared to other equipment, the Marcy Diamond Elite offers an incredible combination of versatility and commercial-grade gym build quality. The Smith Cage uprights and seated row foot plates have heavy-duty, diamond-patterned striker foot plates. The machine is made of high-quality steel with thick welds and connecting bolts that will ensure years of trouble-free use. It is the unique combination of the Smith machine with a good cable system that allows for doing so many compound exercises as well as isolation and cable exercises. Winning combo that's hard to find in other home gym equipment. The back pad angle is easily and quickly adjustable with a commercial gym-style sliding pull knob on a chrome track. Marcy rates their cable pulley resistance system to withstand 2,000 pounds. It uses an aircraft quality cable, so you can train as heavy as you want. Number 3. Marcy 150-pound multifunctional home gym station. The MWM 990 is a well-made tank of a multi-gym. This machine is versatile and durable. This machine has a small footprint, saving valuable floor space. The dual-functioning independent motion attachments will add a valuable dimension to your training efforts. If you've decided that a multi-gym is what you need to complete your home gym, the MWM 990 shouldn't disappoint you. The MWM 990 has high and low pulleys that will allow for an incredible variety of exercise choices. From triceps and biceps to leg abduction and adduction, cables allow for a range of movements limited only by your imagination. The machine saves space with a dual-function, independent motion chest press and fly attachment for vertical upper body exercise. Number 4. Bowflex Home Gym Series. The Bowflex PR3000 is very light and portable at less than 130 pounds, mainly due to the use of the Power Rods resistance system, which doesn't use traditional floor-crushing massive weight stacks. While every machine at any price level has its pros and cons, the Bowflex PR3000 clearly has more advantages than disadvantages. The main disadvantages boil down to the non-weight-based resistance system, which some guys claim to feel it differently. It uses a unique Power Rods resistance system, giving up to 210 pounds of resistance without a floor-straining weight stack. This also means the machine is very to move. Number 5. Home Gym Series. The Bowflex Dream 2SC uses a proprietary resistance system. It doesn't use the traditional weight stack for resistance. This makes the machine very small and compact. It's much smaller than the Body Solid EXM 2500s mentioned earlier. So space is an issue. This Bowflex is the best machine at its price range. If the proprietary resistance system of the Bowflex Power Rods doesn't deter you, this is a great machine. The lat tower, as Bowflex calls it, adds the benefits of doing these basic mass building exercises, the pull-ups and chin-ups. This option increases the versatility of this home gym machine. The Dream 2SC comes out of the box with up to 210 pounds, 95 kilograms of resistance. It is upgradable up to 410 pounds of total resistance by buying additional Bowflex Power Rods. The adjustable design allows you to do over 10 exercises for legs, including squats. The included pulley bar and abdominal training harness mean you can do ab crunches and other abdominal exercises with added resistance for a more intense ab workout. Number 4. Bowflex Home Gym Series. The Bowflex PR3000 is very light and portable at less than 130 pounds, mainly due to the use of the Power Rods resistance system, which doesn't use traditional floor-crushing massive weight stacks. While every machine at any price level has its pros and cons, the Bowflex PR3000 clearly has more advantages than disadvantages. The main disadvantages boil down to the non-weight-based resistance system, which some guys claim to feel it differently. It uses a unique Power Rods resistance system, giving up to 210 pounds of resistance, without a floor-straining weight stack. This also means the machine is very to move. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.